Hey guys, what is up? So I'm Shamira and I was just trying to think about what kind of video I wanted to make for you this week. And then I remembered that Selena Gomez posted a picture on her Instagram of herself wearing her natural curly hair. So I was like, girl, you've had naturally curly hair this whole time? So yeah, I'm gonna look online and see if I can figure out how she does her curly hair routine. So we're just gonna do that right now. And I know all of you guys are social media experts, so let's use our stalking abilities to really figure out what she does, and then I'll try it out for you guys once we figure out how she does it. So I'm gonna type in Selena Gomez hair routine, and let's see what we can find. Okay, so I found two good articles. The first one is by luxyhair.com, and she says, I tried Selena Gomez's hair routine, and here's what happened. Wait, should that be the title of this video? Honestly, really good. Okay, so she says, so here's a quote from Selena from a Vogue interview. She says, one of the most important things for me is my hair. I've always been about my hair, and I love that my mom and my nana taught me how to take care of myself. It goes through a lot every day, but I try to keep it healthy. I have to admit, it can get a little dead on the ends. I like to leave leave-in conditioner on overnight sometimes. I'll wrap it up and let it sit. Okay, so right off the bat, I'm not doing that. But I think we can find another solution that matches that. I'll probably like co-wash or something. I'm going to try to find another article. Okay, so here's one by Allure. Sorry, I think you might be able to hear Eric. Eric, we can hear you.
What?
I can hear you. I don't know if it's getting picked up.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, so now we're gonna look at this Allure article. So let's see what she says. So they asked her, any specific products you love to use for your hair? And she said, my entire tour is stocked with Pantene Pro V Airspray Hairspray. Cute, Pantene. It's so light and I can run my fingers through my hair, blah, blah, blah. And then she says, I definitely love the Pantene Pro V Smooth Serum with argan oil from Morocco that I've been using. Okay, so she uses argan oil and hairspray, and both are Pantene because she's like a Pantene spokesperson, so she's making that money from talking about it in random interviews. I love that for her. I love that for her brand. And so, yeah. Hey guys, I'm literally editing this video right now, and I realized that that part came across a little shady. I promise you it wasn't. I love Selena and I love Pantene. It's a great affordable drugstore option, so we love it. Here is the situation. I have Pantene hairspray that's like really old, and then I have argan oil, but it's not Pantene, but I don't think the brand really matters. So I'm gonna use both of those products in my hair. And yeah, we'll see. I'm just gonna use argan oil and hairspray in a hair routine. So it makes me a little nervous because like that's kind of crazy, but we're gonna do it and we're gonna see how it goes. So keep watching and let's get into it. So I just co-washed my hair, so my hair should have a lot of moisture right now, which should help with the fact that we're only using oil in our hair. So yeah, I'm gonna section my hair like I always do. I guess I'll just rake it through. Yeah, I've never just put oil in as my main product. I always put it towards the end, but we're just gonna see if this works or if I'm gonna be a total grease ball, frizz ball. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my so now I'm gonna take the Denman brush and we're gonna do the same routine that we always do. So you take it and kind of twist it as you pull. So now onto the top section, same thing. I wonder how Selena Gomez is doing these days. Fun fact, I saw her once at Whole Foods in West Hollywood, and we both grabbed a tomato at the same time. We made eye contact, and I was really surprised she didn't like ask to be my best friend after that, because I felt a serious connection. So I was like, wait, sorry, do you want my phone number? Should we hang out? Do you want me to go to your mansion? But it was a no. We made eye contact, and then that was it. But it was magical. It was a magical moment. I'm sure she remembers it just as well as I do. I'm sure. Yeah. What if this doesn't work and it looks horrible? I guess we'll find out together, like always. I honestly feel like the fact that we co-washed is gonna help a lot because my hair is already super moisturized. Oh, by the way, if you want to watch that video on how to co-wash, I'm gonna leave it in the description so you guys can go take a look. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little bit more oil on the back of my hair because we all know the back of my hair is crazy. We literally hate her and she's a piece of work. So we need to put extra product back there to tame her. Otherwise she just lives her own extra life, and like I like that about her, but it's too much sometimes. So I'm gonna scrunch everything because this is definitely not gonna help our hair curl. So the curl is gonna come from us scrunching. Faux show. All right, great. Now I'm gonna plop with my microfiber towel. If you guys want to see a video on how I plop, I'll also leave that in the description so you can go watch that after this. It is super easy and it makes your hair so pretty and curly. So I'm gonna do that right now. Plop is done. It feels like it's not my best plop ever, but once again, I said this in my plopping video, it's not about the technique, it's about the smush. So it's smushed, so we're good. I'm really nervous because we didn't put any gel in, but we're gonna be using this hairspray. I haven't used hairspray since I was a dancer in like high school and college, so we'll see how this goes. I'm very curious how no gel and hairspray does on my hair. Now I'm gonna chill for about 45 minutes so that my hair can dry. Then I'll probably air dry a little bit after that, and then we will check in and see the results. Selena, come in. Just kidding. Can you imagine if she was here for this? Nope, just me. But our names are kind of similar, Shamira and Selena, so that's something. Hey guys, so I'm gonna take my hair out of the plop now. It's been like 45 minutes, so let's see how it looks. Okay, it looks pretty good actually, way better than I thought it would. So yeah, I will just let it dry, like air dry for about 45 minutes and then check back in when it's done. All right, you guys, so this is my hair once it is totally dry. I am shocked. It honestly looks really good in my opinion for just using oil. Like, that's crazy. So Selena was right, oil works. But now we're gonna use the hairspray. So this is what I'm a little concerned about, considering I haven't used hairspray in years. And like, it's just, I don't know, I feel like it's gonna make my curls crazy, but we're gonna go for it. So I'm shaking up the can, and then I guess I'll just spray. Why am I nervous? Okay. Okay. For some reason I thought it was gonna be like an insane, this smell. I feel like I'm at a dance competition. Holy crap. I just went in a time warp. Did you guys see that happen live? Like, I literally just went in a time warp. Oh my god, this is so weird. Okay, I'll keep going. Oh my god, this is crazy. Okay, I'm not gonna put that much in because, like, I feel like we have enough. Okay, so did the hairspray do anything? Is there a difference? I guess, yeah, there's some hold in my hair. Is this as good as gel? I don't think so, but like, I don't know. Does it look any different? I feel like it doesn't, but you know what? We tried it. It didn't really add that much, but I think it's fine. Hairspray is fine. It doesn't ruin a curly hair, which is what I thought it would do. I don't think it made a crazy difference, but you know what? Selena uses it, so I use it. Okay, you guys, so this is the final result. I'm honestly surprised Selena did not lead us astray. She kept us on the path. She might get us a Grammy out of this. I don't know. I'm not expecting a Grammy out of this, but I'm at least expecting like a Teen Choice Award, you know what I mean? Alright, you guys, I hope you liked this video. If you did, definitely make sure that you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It literally means so much to me to have you all with me here, and I can't wait to keep making more content, more videos for you. So keep sticking around. But I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks again for watching. Bye!